It's day 6 of the 28th Southeast Asian Games, and you join us back at the Singapore National Sailing Centre, the host venue and heart of the action for the 20 men's and women's sailing events.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
Medal winners have already been decided for many of the events, and the focus is now heating up for those still racing. The Junior Optimist class, two-person racing for the 420 men and women, 470 men and women, and 49er FX women saw athletes all set for another day, Southeast Asia's premier event. Stakes are high, with national and personal glory the target.
The SEA Games is pretty important for the region. It's also to promote fellowship and community within the ASEAN countries. And it's also good that we're having it on home waters this time.
Well, in sailing, it's only one per class, so you'll feel like you're doing your best for your nation, and like you feel the pride and you really want to do your best.
An ideal breeze for racing greeted the athletes in the Optimist class, who quickly completed several races. The junior class has a strong tradition and pedigree of success in the region. Singapore sailors have claimed back-to-back Optimist World Championship crowns in 2011, 2012 and 2013. Not surprisingly, in both the boys' and girls' fleets, Singapore's athletes are leading, with Malaysia and Thailand in second and third. But it's not going to be easy, as the fleet is small, points are tight, and despite a dominant performance, it's hard to extend any margin of safety net. Are we watching the next from Singapore who'll go on to win future world titles? Quite possibly.
I really want to continue this tradition because it's very rare to have 3 world champions in a row. We want it very badly, so we'll also work very hard for it, and we hope that we can achieve it this year.
With a storm looming overhead, the race committee ended day 6 of racing. Another packed racing schedule tomorrow, and we close in on the penultimate day of racing for the 470 class. So stay tuned.